Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Iman, where learning English is easy and practical. I'm Iman, and I am very excited to be here today.
And I'm Inaya. Hi, everyone. Oh, wow, Iman, you sound so energetic today.
Well, I had coffee. That helps a lot.
Ah, that explains it. I'm still a little sleepy, to be honest. I woke up early this morning and my brain is still loading.
That is perfect, actually, because today's topic is all about mornings.
Oh no, I have a feeling this is about alarm clocks and running late.
You're not wrong. Today, we're going to talk about getting ready for work or school.
I like this topic. It's very real. Everyone has a morning routine, even if it's a little messy.
Exactly. And in this episode, you'll learn how to describe your morning routine in natural English. We'll talk about waking up, getting dressed, having breakfast, packing your bag, and leaving the house.
And we promise to make it fun, because mornings can be stressful, but talking about them doesn't have to be.
Before we start, make sure you subscribe to English with Iman, like this video, and share it with a friend who always hits the snooze button.
Oh no, that friend is me.
I know.
That happens to me too.
All right, let's begin.
Okay, Iman, let me ask you something. What happens first in your morning?
First, my alarm rings at 6 a.m. every single weekday.
6 a.m.? Seriously?
Yes, and when it rings, I don't feel happy.
I can imagine. So, do you wake up immediately?
Not exactly. I wake up, but I don't get up right away. I usually lie in bed for 5 more minutes.
Ah, so you wake up, but you don't get up.
Exactly. That's very important. Wake up means you open your eyes. Get up means you leave your bed.
That's so true. I wake up at 6:30 a.m., but I get up at 6:45. There's a big difference.
What happens during those 15 minutes?
Well, first I check my phone, then I close my eyes again, then I tell myself, okay, I'm getting up now, but I don't move.
You're kidding.
No, I'm serious. Sometimes I hit the snooze button 2 or 3 times.
Oh no, that's dangerous.
I know. When you hit the snooze button, you stop the alarm for a few minutes, but those few minutes feel like 2 seconds.
Exactly. You think you have time, but then suddenly you're late.
That's the worst feeling. You open your eyes and think, wait, what time is it? Then you see the clock and panic.
So true. Okay, so after you finally get up, what do you do next?
First, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face and brush my teeth.
Same here. Right after I wake up, I brush my teeth. I feel more awake after that.
Yes, me too. Cold water helps. It wakes me up quickly.
After that, do you take a shower?
Yes, I usually take a quick shower in the morning. It takes about 10 minutes.
I prefer to take a shower at night. In the morning, I just wash my face and get ready.
Really? I can't imagine starting my day without a shower.
Well, everyone is different. That's normal.
True. So after your shower, what do you do?
Next, I get dressed. I usually choose my clothes the night before.
Wait, really?
Yes, it saves time in the morning.
Wow, that is very organized.
I try, because if I don't prepare my clothes before, I stand in front of my closet and think, what should I wear? And then I run out of time.
That happens to me all the time. I look for my favorite shirt and suddenly I can't find it.
And then?
Then I start looking everywhere, under the bed, in the laundry basket, behind the chair.
Oh no.
And usually I find it in a very simple place, like right in front of me.
That's so relatable.
Sometimes I can't find my socks. One sock is there, but the other disappears.
Seriously? Where do socks go?
I have no idea. It's a mystery.
After I get dressed, I go to the kitchen. I usually have breakfast at around 7 a.m.
What do you eat?
I grab a quick breakfast, usually toast and eggs or sometimes just fruit and coffee.
Ah, coffee. That's important.
Very important. Without coffee, I feel sleepy and slow.
Same here. I'm not a morning person. I feel tired and quiet in the early morning.
I understand. A morning person is someone who feels energetic early in the day.
And that is not me.
So you're more active at night.
Yes, exactly. I feel productive in the evening.
Interesting. I feel more productive in the morning, especially after breakfast.
So after breakfast, what do you do before leaving?
Before leaving the house, I pack my bag. I make sure I have my laptop, my notebook, and my keys.
Oh, the keys. That's important.
Yes, one time I forgot my keys inside the house.
No way.
Yes, I closed the door and then I realized my keys were still on the table.
That's the worst.
I had to call for help. Since then, I always check my bag before I head out.
Head out is a nice phrase. It means to leave.
Exactly. So I head out at around 7:30 a.m. and go to work.
I usually leave the house at 8 a.m. If I don't hurry up, I get stuck in traffic.
So your morning feels rushed sometimes.
Yes, especially when I wake up late. I feel stressed and nervous.
That's very common. When we run out of time, we feel rushed.
Yes, run out of time means you don't have enough time to finish everything.
Exactly. So it's better to prepare things before.
I know that, but I don't always do it.
Let's do a little role play.
Oh, this will be fun.
Okay, imagine you overslept. Your alarm didn't wake you up, and now it's 8:15 a.m. You need to be at work at 8:30.
Oh no, that already sounds stressful.
Go ahead. What do you do?
Okay, I wake up and look at my phone. I say, wait, what? 8:15? Seriously? Then I jump out of bed.
Good. Continue.
Next, I run to the bathroom. I don't take a shower. I just wash my face quickly and brush my teeth.
You're in a hurry.
Very much. Then I put on the first clothes I see. I don't even check if they match.
That happens to me too.
Next, I skip breakfast. I just grab a banana and put it in my bag.
So you grab a quick breakfast and rush out the door.
Exactly. I rush out the door at 8:22. On the way, I feel stressed and a little embarrassed.
Why embarrassed?
Because I know I should wake up earlier, but sometimes I just can't get up.
That's okay. It happens to everyone.
What would you do in that situation?
If I oversleep, I try to stay calm. First, I check the time. Then I decide what is really necessary.
So you don't panic?
I try not to. I focus on the basics. Brush my teeth, get dressed, pack my bag, and leave.
That's smart.
And I always send a quick message if I'm going to be late.
That's responsible.
Thank you.
Now let's imagine a perfect morning.
Okay, I like this.
In this perfect morning, you wake up before your alarm.
That sounds like a dream.
You feel energetic, you stretch a little, you smile.
Wow, this is very positive.
First, you get up immediately, then you take a relaxing shower.
After that, I get dressed in the clothes I prepared the night before.
Next, you enjoy a calm breakfast.
And finally, I leave the house early, feeling productive and ready.
That feels so different from the chaotic morning.
Yes, chaotic means very busy and a little crazy.
I think most people have both types of mornings.
That's true. Some days are calm, some days are rushed.
Let's review some useful expressions from today.
Sure, we talked about wake up and get up,
We also used hit the snooze button.
and run out of time.
Don't forget rush out the door
Yes, and grab a quick breakfast.
and head out.
These are very common expressions. You can use them to describe your morning routine.
Try to say your routine out loud. For example, first I wake up at 7 a.m., then I brush my teeth.
Keep your sentences simple. You don't need difficult words.
And don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes help you learn.
Practice every day. Even 5 minutes in the morning is helpful.
Now it's a question for you, Iman. Are you really a morning person?
Yes, I think so. I feel more focused early in the morning.
I'm the opposite. I feel sleepy until I drink coffee.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee. Definitely coffee.
I prefer tea sometimes, but in the morning, coffee is better.
Are you organized or always rushing?
I try to be organized. I prepare my bag and clothes before going to bed.
I want to be organized, but sometimes I'm still rushing.
That's okay. You can improve step by step.
So now it's your turn. What time do you wake up?
Are you a morning person?
Is your morning calm or chaotic?
Tell us in the comments. We would love to read about your routine.
Yes, describe your morning using the expressions from today.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us.
Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends who always hits the snooze button.
Keep practicing and keep improving your English.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.